Welcome to lesson 63 of algebraic concepts, multiplication and division inequalities with rational numbers. So all that means is we're doing fractions and decimals. All right, here we go. You've seen all the objectives before, vocabulary. These are a series of videos. We've seen all of this before. Okay, so now, again, here's the trick. The 2 is supposed to multiply to whatever's inside the parentheses. But since it's multiplying, let's just divide by 2. And then we get rid of it. We don't have to distribute it. And 3 is greater than h plus 185. We subtract 185 from both sides. 185. We get 1.15 is bigger than h. I switch everything around. And 0. 1.15. I could put a 1 and a 2 there, but whatever. In fact, I might start putting, I'm going to put whole numbers, and then I'll show you how these fit in between. Because 1.15 is actually closer to 1 than it is 2. So let me start doing that on the next one. Okay, so negative 5 over 12 t is greater than or equal to 8 1/3, 8 times 3, 25 over 3. And you'll see why I'm doing this in a second. Okay, so if you watch some of my fractions videos, we're going to multiply by the negative inverse times 12 over 5 negative. Let's do a little fraction magic. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20, is negative 20. That flips. T is greater than or equal to negative 20. Negative 20, 0. Fill in a circle. Boom. All numbers greater than or equal to negative 20. Okay. Negative 2.5 plus 7.5. Really, why did I do this to myself? Negative 1.75x minus 6.5 is less than 130. Add 6.5 to both sides. Add 6.5 to both sides. 136.5 is bigger than negative 1.75x. Divide by negative 1.75 on both sides. The sign flips because I divided by a negative. Gives me 78. I'm going to move everything around. X is bigger than 78, so that when I graph it, I'm going to do 70 and 80. And 78 is closer to 80. We all know that. And we're going to the right. All right, that was our 3 examples for this lesson. In the next couple of slides, you'll see some practice problems. So please write your practice problems on a piece of paper, and I will see you at the end of the video for the recap. Okay, so we have a over 3.8 is less than or equal to 45. We're going to multiply both sides by 3.8. A is less than or equal to 171. Put a 0 for reference. 170, 180. 171 is right next to 180. Color in a circle. All numbers smaller than 171. So this is more representative of how you will see these questions. You'll see an open line that might be marked off in 5 or 10 or whatever, and you're going to have to fill in your dot. 171 is bigger than 170, so it does not go on 170. It goes slightly to the right of 170. Hopefully I get a number then negative. Okay, look at all of these fractions. I know how much you love fractions, and I wanted to show you to not be afraid of fractions. So we got 46 over 5 is less than 8/11 z minus 5/3 z plus 4. Let's do our fraction math off to the side. 11 over 4 minus 5 over 3. 4, 8, 12. And we got to go to 12 to find the lowest common number. 33 over 12 times 4. 20 over 12 gives us 13 over 12. Because we subtracted. So 13 over 12 z plus 4 is bigger than 46 over 5. So I got a minus 4 from both sides. I got a minus 4. 4 over 1 times 5 over 5 equals 20 over 5. So 46 over 5 minus 20 over 5 equals 26 over 5. So you get 26 over 5 is less than 13 over 12 z. Multiply by 12 over 13 on both sides. That cancels. That's 2. 2 times 12 is 24 over 5. It's bigger than z. Z is bigger than 4 4/5. So if I have 0 and I have 4 and I have 5, 4 4/5 is closer to 5. Open circle, going to the right, and you write 4 4/5 on your number. Okay, so we're going to divide by negative 0.77 on both sides. K is greater than. You flip the sign when you divide by a negative. Nothing else moves. 30.2. Put a 0 for reference. I got 30. I got 40. And 0.2 is right around here. So that's 30.2. Okay, so it's tough writing these on paper. So what this actually is 7 over 8 is less than or equal to y over negative 1/2. And so what this really is when you divide by a half, you flip and multiply. So I'm going to rewrite this 7 is less than, 7/8 is less than or equal to negative 2y. So when you have something over y, you change the division to multiply, and then you flip the fraction. So that becomes negative 2y. And that's why that's that way. So then we get to divide by negative 2 on both sides. Divide by negative 2 on both sides. So I'll do the fraction math over here in red. 7 over 8 divided by negative 2 over 1. 7/8 times 1/2 negative gives us negative 7/16. Because we divided by a negative, the sign will flip. So let me write that over here because I don't have enough room. Negative 7 over 16 is bigger than or equal to positive 1y. So 7/16 is right less than a half of 1. So I'm going to put 0 and 1. And 7/16 is closer to 0 on the half side than 1. Because 8 over 16 would be 1/2. So negative 7 over 16. Open circle. The sign flipped, went to the right. All numbers bigger than negative 7/16. So that was our video for this lesson. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and be on the lookout for more videos.